Hey there fellow programmers, welcome back to my Java tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to learn how to find the sum of two numbers using Java. Adding numbers is a fundamental operation in programming and it's essential to have a clear understanding of it. So let's jump right into it. To find the sum of two numbers in Java, we will utilize a simple concept. We will declare two variables to store our numbers and then we'll use the addition operator to add them together. And that's it. We have successfully learned how to find the sum of two numbers in Java. It's a basic operation that forms the building blocks of more complex calculations and algorithms. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and that you are now confident in adding numbers in your Java program. If you have any question or need any further assistance, so don't hesitate and comment below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.